Welcome to our channel where we discuss all things health and fitness. In today's video, we will be talking about the most important foods that make you feel healthy. A healthy diet is essential for optimal health, and certain foods can provide us with the necessary nutrients to fuel our bodies and help us feel our best. We will explore some of the key foods that you should include in your diet to promote overall health and well-being. So let's get started. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help keep our bodies functioning properly and protect us against chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Leafy greens are also rich in fiber, which can help regulate our digestion, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy bowel movements. Berries. Berries are a low-calorie, nutrient-dense fruit that can provide a host of health benefits. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and boost brain function. Additionally, studies have shown that consuming berries can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are an excellent source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Including nuts and seeds in your diet can help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and promote heart health. Additionally, they can help with weight management and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are a rich source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They provide sustained energy, help regulate digestion, and can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Whole grains are also a great source of complex carbohydrates, which can help with weight management and prevent blood sugar spikes. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Eating fatty fish can improve cognitive function, reduce the risk of depression, and protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and stroke. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are also rich in fiber and contain phytochemicals that can help reduce inflammation and prevent cancer. Cruciferous vegetables are also low in calories and high in nutrients, making them an excellent choice for weight management. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and promote heart health. Additionally, avocados are a good source of fiber, which can help regulate digestion and promote feelings of fullness. Fermented foods. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in probiotics, which can improve gut health and boost immune function. Consuming fermented foods can also help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and promote mental health. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are an excellent source of fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are low in fat and can reduce the risk of heart disease, lower cholesterol levels, and promote weight management. By incorporating legumes into your diet, you can also regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain and heart health and reduce inflammation. Eating fatty fish can improve cognitive function, reduce the risk of depression, and protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and stroke. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, it contains flavonols, which can improve brain function and lower the risk of heart disease. It is important to choose dark chocolate with a high percentage of cocoa solids and low sugar content to reap these benefits. Yogurt. Yogurt is a great source of protein and calcium, which can help keep our bones strong and healthy. Additionally, it contains probiotics, which can improve gut health and boost immune function. Studies have shown that consuming yogurt regularly can lead to a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even depression. That concludes our video on the most important foods that make you feel healthy. Remember, a healthy diet is just one component of a healthy lifestyle. It's also important to exercise regularly, manage stress, and get enough sleep to promote overall health and well-being. We hope this video has provided you with some valuable insights into the foods that can help you feel your best. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness content, and we'll see you in the